Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Columbia boots from Amazon. Columbia boots, I've got them on Amazon, but you can buy them also on Columbia site. The model is called Columbia Newton Reach Plus Waterproof in amped. The color is Poseidon and black. So let's open them. Comes with this box, like so. And here we are. Let's take them out. So here we have some very nice shoes. I really like. Maybe I put them on grass. It will be natural, more natural. So they look like this. They are for hiking and all year shoes. They are really cute. So as you can see, they are made from suede. This color is like, we call it Poseidon, but I would say something in between green and blue, teal or something. And here we have pink accents, which I like. We also have some sole pink accents and accent on the other hand. They have nice yellow laces. And they have those metal snaps, and the sole is really good for hiking. And I really like how they look. I have few models of them now because they are on sale, and I also have employee discount on Amazon, so I've got to have the employee discount to use it. And when you untie them, these parts are like so, and then here is the tongue looking like this. Inside they come like this, but I don't need it. I would try them on. So, wow, they are a little more narrow than my Avenger boots, and I can feel it. Let's see. I've got them in size 11, although I wear size 10, and they still fit well. Slightly big, but I don't feel like too much big. It's kind of shoes that you can buy them slightly bigger, and then you can get some insects too. If they would be super tight, I would be not happy. And actually I got them in size 11 because size 10 was sold out. And I really like the color, which matches my jacket, this one. Which is jacket from Annie Bauer. In this color, perfectly matched. Maybe not perfectly, but then matched. Yeah, very grippy. Very grippy one to the ground. And they are nice for hiking or even for winter shoes. Wear them. So yeah, that's my unboxing box. And let's show this. Very nice and cute. Really happy I got them. And you can get them on Amazon or on the Colombia site. Link down below. I recommend getting hiking shoes if you want to some hikes, or even for winter. They are actually warm for winter, and you can wear them for winter when it's slippery and even snow shoveling, because they have waterproof option, which is really good, and that's really good to have. Oh, it says Colombia here, and somewhere we're saying waterproof. Where is it? I have to take them out. So my other ones were saying it. I'm sure. Oh, it says so yeah, I'm glad I got them, and they are really nice, and I recommend getting one for you, and you can get size, get normal size, get your normal size, because I got bigger ones because they didn't have size 10, but size 10 perfectly fit me, but those ones will be slightly big like this. Actually, this one don't seem that big. This one fit like here. I don't touch to the end, but they are a little bit like and adjust, and I think it's good. Still good. You can adjust by tightness with laces, and you can even put different inserts, because the inserts they are removable. So yeah, that's my unboxing of shoes for hiking, Colombia, Newton Ridge. I recommend getting them, and hope you enjoy such videos outside in natural light. If you do, give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.